What's up, BFF channel? What's up, guys? And today we are opening up this bag, and I am so excited. If you guys don't see my face, because I'm gonna be unboxing this, I might place it somewhere else, but I'm just gonna hold it right now. I know. Look, my grandma got me this squishy, and this bag, and the two candies. And yeah, I'm gonna place it on this cat. Right. Let's open it. I'm opening it right now. So we have this bag. Right now, I'm just going to place it. All right, let's open it. Let's see what I got. So, oh, here it is. Finally found the way to open it. Okay, I found that shop cannon. Oh, look how cute. And I found this. And that's it. First, I'm going to be opening this, and then this is for last. So, and this is so pretty. I need to wear it. It's Sally Scent. Doesn't smell like anything.
Oye, ¿tú tienes mi teléfono?
No, I have my own phone.
¿Con quién estás hablando?
No, I'm making a video. Guys, look how cute! It's so pretty. I'm wearing it right now. Kind of backwards. I'm wearing it. Let me put this under. Alright. And, oh yeah. And here's the sticker. Okay, time to open. Now this. How do you open it? There we go. Opening. Here it is! I feel like, I don't know. Let's open it and see what it is. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is this? I don't know what it is. I'm going to check in though. Did it come with anything? Nope. Oh, here it is. Oh, dang it. It doesn't even come with it. Oh my god, I love it. Cute. It's just this, I feel like it's like a hot dog or something. Okay. And I'm gonna show you guys. Ew, smells. I don't like the smell, but I got this squishy. I don't like this one. It's so slow rising. Look. It slow rises like right away. Hear the sound. And I also got lollipops. I love orange, and I don't kind of like orange, but I'm going to eat that one. Put that over there. All right, I don't need that. Boom. All right, it says the sticker. Yeah, it's a sticker. It's so cute. thank you guys so much for watching. And it's kind of short video because, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Subscribe to be at channel and subscribe and like.